guys, today we're going to be doing a cellular respiration experiment with baking soda, sugar,
and water.
And this will conduct a fermentation through the process of glycolysis, and you'll see how this is in just a moment. Now me and Anthony, Anthony already has baking soda in his test tube, and I will be pouring some into mine. And when this happens, after this, we're going to be pouring water. Okay, I'm making a mess. Okay. And then sugar. And then we'll wait for like 5 to 10 minutes and then see how the fermentation starts, and it should start bubbling. And as you can see now, that once it starts to dissolve, oh look, you can see it now, it's starting to bubble. Just a little bit. But once the fermentation process takes place, the sugar will transfer to gas, and then hopefully if we have it long enough, it'll turn into alcohol. Okay, well, as you can see in the larger test tube, that glycolysis has already started to form. You can see mostly the bubbles are little bubbles now, but it has dissolved all of the sugar and the baking soda is at the bottom. And this is a great step, which is called glycolysis. And glycolysis has to deal with the glucose, and then it splits into 2 sugars from the 3 carbon sugar. And then that is called a pyruvate. And then once the glycolysis occurs, there's no more oxygen in this step. So right now, there's pretty much no oxygen whatsoever in this test tube. Stop.
Alright, well, the Krebs cycle occurs only with oxygen. So if there's no oxygen, this chemical reaction will not be able to take place. And it doesn't use oxygen directly, but it absorbs it from the air.
Okay. In electron transport chain, there is a series of events that happens. First, the electron carries throughout the cell in the membrane of the mitochondria. Then, as it goes through its process, it develops 34 ATPs, which is produced throughout this experiment of fermentation. Then, what happens is the NADH and the FADH is transformed to the ATPs to convert to energy. And that's it.